Everybody, I'm back with the long drive. Nothing really to see here. Let's get on the road. I'm not used to, I'm not really used to, don't you dare fucking fall over. Not used to long drive controls anymore. I'm kind of used to Drive Beyond Horizons now. Hold on. Audio is like ridiculously loud on this thing. Alright, let's continue. I think eventually I'm going to have to switch vehicles to keep this interesting, but I really like this motorcycle. It just works, you know. Plus, it's air cooled, so I don't have to worry about a radiator. Additionally, I don't have to worry about keeping oil in the engine because it's a two-stroke. Looks like the biome is about to change. I see greenery on the horizon. You pull out the binoculars. Don't really see anything in the distance. We may just be driving for the lot of this episode. I see something over there. Oh, no, that's just a rock. There's something over there. It's not just rocks, man. Okay, there's something. Shit, it's literally nothing, just rocks. Alright, we'll keep going then. See that blue smoke plume behind me? I think that's oil. I probably need to dilute it down to like 10% oil and 90% gas. I have an interesting video of like how I think that the church can re-up its numbers, you know? But I'm not sure how to freaking organize it. But I have an idea. I won't reveal it here. Oh, we got grass. I have not seen grass in a long time. We have a tower. You know what? No, there wasn't anything interesting there. Let me kill the engine so I can save some gas. So up until recently, the people who attend church, you know, the people who identified as religious, were actually dropping. But now I think it's flatlined. Anyway, I have a solution for that. Stay tuned. This is coming out in a video eventually. My idea. Man, we are moving. The character is going at least 80 right now. Nothing but ships. There's not really any cactuses in this biome, so I'm pretty much reliant on everything that I've packed here on this motorcycle in order to stay hydrated and fed. We will get up this hill, and then I think I'll probably kill the video. According to that, I have driven 76 kilometers. That is 42 miles. According to Scapegoat, the lot of this trip is about 5,000 miles. And we are back in the desert. Let's stop and get some water without running into a damn cactus. That's wonderful. Yeah, knock over the fucking motorcycle. Swear, man, it's setting out to just make my day harder. Okay, I think I'm gonna kill the video. It's pretty much gonna be this same shit for a few miles, so we'll revisit this at a later date.